In a bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, the melted butter, and milk. Knead well until a smooth dough forms that comes away from the bowl. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Dust your countertop with flour and place the dough on top. Sprinkle a bit more flour and knead briefly. Roll it out and cut pieces about the width of a sausage and long enough to wrap it twice. Each piece should be around 5 centimeters, 2 inches by 8 centimeters, 3 inches. Place a sausage on top and roll it up tightly. Arrange the hot dogs on a baking tray, greased with butter and dusted with flour. Repeat until all the dough and sausages are used. Brush each one with the beaten egg. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until golden. Once baked, they're ready to serve. Perfect warm or at room temperature. You'll need 500 grams or 1 pound 1.6 ounces of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 200 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of milk, 125 grams or 4.4 ounces of melted butter, salt to taste, 16 canned sausages, 1 beaten egg, flour for dusting,